Hey guys, so I have here my JBL headphones. In this case, this is the TUNE600 btnc. And for some reason, the left ear cup intermittently stops working. So sometimes it does work, sometimes it doesn't. So today we want to have a look at what's going on and how you can fix this. So we need to take the left ear cup apart to take a look at what's going on inside. And we are starting out by removing the ear pad. And that is relatively easy to remove. You just wedge something in between the housing and the ear cup and it will eventually come apart. See, there's a couple of clips that hold the ear pad in place. Now underneath there in the center, that's where the driver is, and then around there we find 3 small Phillips screws. So let's remove those. And then we can remove the entire driver here, this entire plastic piece. And we want to do this really carefully because there is still a wire, this white wire that you see here in the front that is of course connected to something inside. And you don't want to accidentally rip that off because it would cause a lot of more work for you. Okay, so now what we do see here are these 2 springs. See these here? And those are supposed to make contact with these 2 pads here that you see on the PCB. And in case that connection does not work properly, for example because of corrosion, then this may cause the speaker here to fail and then only the other side of your headphones still work. So I'm going to clean this up a little bit, these connections, and I'm also adding here some anti-seize that I have from fixing my car actually. And I'm hoping that this will prevent the problem from occurring in the future again. So I'm just adding here a little dab on either of the pads and I'm smearing it out a little bit, making sure that there's no connection between the 2 pads by just cleaning it up. And then also as a side note, in case this fix doesn't work for you, then check out all the solder joints here on the PCB. You see all those different wires that are connected to the board. Make sure all of those are still connected and not loose. In case you do have a loose connection there, then this will definitely also cause the problem that you're experiencing. But now we can start to reassemble everything, and we are of course starting out by reattaching the plastic piece with the driver in it. Make sure you have this in the right orientation. Really easy to see here is you see this little plastic tube on the top that goes through the small hole in the side of the ear cup. So this is going to go outside and then you should be able to squeeze in the rest relatively easily. Make sure that this little white wire doesn't get pinched anywhere. See, so you would just move it to the side and then you close this back up. And we're pressing this on firmly, and I think it clicks a couple of times, so then you know it's really nice and tight. Next we are putting the 3 screws back in, and then the last step is here adding the ear pad. This also has a specific orientation. So you see this little black pin here, that's supposed to go into the hole that you see on the right side here by the ear pad. So just align those right. You can also look at the inside of the ear pad where you see the L for the left side in this case here. And then you just press it on firmly, it clicks into position, and we are already done. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful and you're able to fix your headphones with this procedure. If you have any more questions or comments, then write a message below, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up.